Hello guys, this is the djipanorama who is taking drone shots. I'm using Davinci Resolve for editing, and while I am editing with Resolve facing many problems. Most of these problems are explained on YouTube, but I couldn't find this one. While I was editing my videos, I'm out of space on my hard drive. Then on media pool, Resolve set for videos, no media, etc. Suddenly, Davinci Resolve crashed. It may seem like normal. You can empty the hard disk and continue, right? But something went wrong. I was double clicking and it was not responding at all. I was seeing it in Task Manager, then it was disappearing. I tried everything to solve this problem. I deleted Resolve with cleaner programs and reinstalled. Didn't work. I deleted Resolve and installed new version. Didn't work. I tried everything described on YouTube like compatibility, virtual memory, move the source video files, integrated GPU, video formats, etc. Didn't work. Then I started to try things by myself and I solved it. Here is the solution. You are going to this location on your computer, cut all of folders and paste to another location. Then you are opening Davinci Resolve. There will be no projects here. You transfer the files you have taken elsewhere to the same location and click here. Your projects appear. Don't forget, you may encounter the same error again. Before you close the Resolve, keep editing your project, save it, render it, and close it. Don't face the same problem again. If the video helped you, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks all. Bye bye. Take care of yourselves.